Here we go. The wait is over. Welcome to this video, presenting you a list of one of the best online earning sites to make money online. No experience and no investment is required to earn from these sites. The following websites will pay you without any investment or without any hustle bustle. Make money online now and start your dreams with this money. Before we get into the details of this video, make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's waste no more time and get into the video. According to Money Weaker, when their blog was started, many people started asking for a list of the best websites to earn money online in 2021. Though the blog already teaches how to earn money from many different websites, people still wanted to see all of the best money-earning websites in one place. The sites that you're going to find in this video are undoubtedly the world's best genuine money-making websites chosen from different categories. When you are working with any of the below websites, then you don't have to worry about being scammed because all of these websites are top in their business. No scamming, 100% guaranteed. People have made over $64,000+ from these websites, and you can do that too. Know about all of the best earning sites and decide which one will be perfect for you. If you work daily on a few of the below websites, then you will make a good income. And after getting some experience, you will start generating a huge income. Since you're new, it may take some time to earn from the below online earning sites. If you give up early, then you will earn nothing. Number 1. Free Bitcoin. Free Bitcoin is the best of all Bitcoin earning sites. It's been online since 2013 and it pays only in Bitcoin. In just 1 year, 2020 to 2021, Bitcoin has grown from $5,000 to $60,000, and it's still not too late to get your hands on Bitcoin. Using Free Bitcoin, you can claim and earn free Bitcoin every hour by rolling a free dice. Free Bitcoin also offers several other ways to earn more Bitcoin. And don't forget to check the Multiply BTC option in Free Bitcoin. If you don't know what Bitcoin is, then you'll be shocked to know about it. Bitcoin is the first decentralized digital currency that came into existence in 2009. The value of one Bitcoin was then 10 cents, but today, April 2021, each Bitcoin is worth $60,000. You can start earning Bitcoins from Free Bitcoin and from other Bitcoin earning websites. When the Bitcoin price goes high, then you can sell them for real money. Bitcoin is just like gold. Number 2. Whysense. Whysense is a killer website when it comes to earning money online. It's a perfect option for anybody who wants to make money. Note, Whysense was formerly known as ClickSense. At Whysense, you will get paid to take surveys, complete simple offers, watch videos, sign up for websites, and more. Whysense is a very popular website to make money. According to Alexa rankings, it's one of the top 5,000 ranked websites in the world. It has been online since 2007 and it pays via PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and gift cards. You will also earn a 20 to 30% commission from all your referrals. Number 3. Neobox. Neobox is one of the top websites I recommend to beginners because of its simplicity. Every individual can earn money from Neobox without having any experience. Neobox also doesn't ask for any investment. It's absolutely free for everybody. So what is Neobox? Neobox is a paid-to-click site that pays its members for viewing advertisements and for doing other simple tasks. It always pays instantly. Neobox comes under paid-to-click sites, PTC sites, category because paid-to-click is its main feature. Besides clicking ads, members can earn money from Neobox by completing surveys, offers, mini-jobs, playing games, and much more. According to Alexa rankings, Neobox is one of the top 860 websites in the world, which is a huge rank because there are millions of websites on the internet. This makes Neobox one of the best online earning sites. Number 4. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is unarguably the web's most popular rewards program that pays you cash and free gift cards for the everyday things you do online, such as taking online surveys, playing games, shopping, searching the web, watching videos, and much more. It's been online since February 2008, and so far, it's paid over $352 million in cash and gift cards to its members. Swagbucks is more popular in countries like the United States, Canada, and India. The points you earn are called SB, Swagbucks points, that can be converted into cash. You can transfer the cash to your PayPal account, or you can request gift cards for retailers like Amazon, Walmart, Freecharge, etc. Swagbucks even has a mobile app to make things easier. So clearly, Swagbucks is one of the best earning sites online. Number 5. Fiverr. Fiverr is one of the world's most popular freelance sites to make money online. According to Alexa, it ranks among the top 333 ranked websites in the world. It's a highly popular website. On Fiverr, you can get things done for just $5, and you can do things for others and earn as well. Suppose you have photo editing skills, then to earn money by using your skills, you'll need to create a gig and start offering your services starting from $5. It can be any skill: Photoshop, banner making, singing, marketing, web development, logo making, etc. are to name a few of them. You'll get hired for whatever skill you have. Make sure that you have a good profile to attract clients. The more the number of orders you get, the more you earn by completing those orders. Fiverr is one of the great online money earning websites. Go ahead, create an account on Fiverr, then create a gig and start making money. Number 6. iWriter. iWriter is one of the best online money-making sites for the people who love to write content or articles. Note, iWriter sometimes doesn't accept new writers because they get so many applications. So you can try Text Broker, which is similar to iWriter. Article writing has a huge demand these days. If you're good at English grammar, then you can earn awesome income by writing articles on any topic you like. iWriter is the most popular website among content writers because you can earn from $2.43 to $35 and more by writing 500-word content. Yeah, you read that right. You can earn more than $35 per 500-word article. If you start now, then you'll be a beginner and you'll be paid $2.43 per 500-word article. And if you write good content, then your earning per 500-word content will keep increasing. To start writing as a beginner, you don't need to be perfect. You'll be writing content on the topic you know. You can always refer to Google to gain knowledge about the content that you're given to write. Number 7. MTech. MTech, also known as Amazon Mechanical Turk, is a microjob website owned by Amazon. MTech is the world's biggest crowdsourcing website, online since 2005. It pays Amazon gift cards and bank transfer. This is how MTech works. There are two kinds of people on MTech. Requesters. The people who post jobs on MTech are called requesters. Workers, the people who complete the jobs, are called workers. There are many different kinds of very simple jobs available on MTech posted by requesters. Many of the jobs take about 2 to 5 minutes to complete. You can join MTech as a worker and can start earning money by completing very simple microjobs. Number 8. Upwork. Upwork is yet another great freelance website to make money online. It's been online since 2003 and has over 1.5 million clients from all over the world. There's nothing you can't find as a freelancer on Upwork because it's one of the best earning sites for freelancers. If you have skills like recording videos or audios, HTML, CSS, Photoshop, typing skills, logo making, etc., then you can become a freelancer on Upwork. As a freelancer, you'll be working on jobs posted by employers. If you're hired, then you need to complete those jobs to earn money. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel.